So today I'm going to show you how to make this pretty cowl, which is the granny stripes cowl. It's worked in rounds and it's made of 15 rows total. I have used 8mm crochet hook and a medium worsted yarn number 4. So I'm going to start by chaining 81. We'll make a slip knot and I'll chain 81. The hook I chose is bigger than the recommended one in the yarn label, but I chose it so the project looks a bit chunky and bigger than the normal size. So I'm gonna make a random number just to show you how to make it. However, check the written pattern. It will show you step by step how to make the actual one, which is made of 81 rows. So what I'm gonna do now is go back to the very first chain, insert the hook, and then make sure the wrong side is facing me. I will turn it and insert the hook in the last chain and slip stitch, tighten. So now I have my round ready. What I'm gonna do is chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This will be the first double crochet. Consider the first double crochet of the first cluster. So in this very first chain, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet. So slowly, 1 and 2. I'm gonna skip the next 2 chains. In the next chain, a cluster. A cluster means 3 double crochet in 1 chain. It's gonna be the same throughout the round. Skip 2, a cluster in the next chain. Skip 2, cluster in the next chain until the end of the round, where I'll join to the top initial chain 3. So at the end of the round, as I said, we'll join to the top chain 3. And now I'm gonna chain 3. So this chain 3 will be part of the last cluster coming back to this point later on. Now what I'm gonna do, in every space I'm gonna work a cluster. This will be throughout the 15 rounds. So 3 double crochet in the space, and in every space. The same will be repeated throughout the rows rounds till I reach round 15. Very simple and easy pattern to make. It doesn't take much time and it looks very nice. You can make it smaller or bigger depending how what's the size you like. You can use a smaller hook if you wish, but I wanted to use the bigger one. I hope you like this simple tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.